Hi, I'm Laurie from TimeToPlayMag.com, and this is Cars Team Lightning from Random House and Disney. In this Lift the Flat book by Billy Rex, Lightning McQueen's pit crew helps him get the tires, fuel, and get up and go he needs to win the race. There are more than 30 flaps for kids to lift as they follow along with the story. Illustrations by the Disney Storybook Artists show characters and scenes that look just like they did in the movies. Some of the flaps, especially the very small ones, can be difficult to lift, so before reading this for the first time, parents might want to get them started to make it easier for kids. Cars fans ages 2 to 5 will love reading about favorite characters in this book. As kids lift the flaps, they become actively engaged in the reading process. Even if they can't read on their own yet, they can pretend to as they play with the book, something that is fun and engaging because it generally makes kids feel more grown up. For more information on this book, such as how much it costs and where to buy, visit TimeToPlayMag.com or download our free app, Shop for Kids by Time to Play Mag, for great information and ideas on the go.